and welcome. My name is Cantress, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to do DIY lash extensions here at home. I was inspired by one of my friends here on YouTube. Her name is Tash. Check out her channel. I'll have it all linked down below. I chose to do this lash extension look because of Tash. She does a bunch of great videos on lash extensions and she shows you how to apply them. She does different lash looks and tries out a bunch of new products, so check her channel out. I'm going to be going in with these lashes here. They're from Amazon. They're called Sweet Princess. This one here is 16mm and this one is 12mm. I only purchased these two lashes. I also purchased this lash glue here. I got it from Target. It's the Ardell LashTite adhesive glue in clear. It looks like this. And you are also going to need some tweezers. I got these tweezers from Target. If you want to see how to do these lash extensions at home and save yourself some money, just keep on watching. Okay, now that we have one side done, we're going to get started on this side. I just want to show you guys the difference. And now I'm going to start in the center. So I'm going to take the 16mm and place it like right in the middle where my pupil is. And then I'm going to work my way back, and all of this is going to be 16mm. Take the Ardell LashTite glue in clear and place it on a little pad that I have here. Let me zoom you guys in so you could see. The 12mm here. Now that I've gone to the middle of my eye, I'm gonna fill in this side with the 12mm. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you have not already. If you have any comments, leave them down below. Thank you. Bye.